I think India is developing country. It is only developing country. So it want to focus on prioritize that economic development. I think because it want to be a developed country, not want to be developing country. The only focusing on developing the economy.
In case of development of economy, it will generate employment, productivity, and create revenue to the government. But there's still a big question mark. If we consider only the development of economy, the environment issues will happen. Like if we emphasize on the development of economy, we will definitely be forgot about the environment. That creates a great economic issue in future.
I don't agree with only economic development because due to we can see in many states which are very much developed, but some area it is very slum because of overdevelopment and there is no protection to nature. There is no initiative to protect the environment. So there creates a slum. Yeah. It increases pollution also.
According to my opinion, India should prioritize both the economic development and environmental sustainability because the present generation has so many economic development here. Also, we have to consider the economic sustainability for the future generation. Like economic sustainability probably means the cutting of trees want to be avoided, something like that. So, so by protecting the environment, the future will be safe. That's important point.
But economic sustainability must be important. If we only care about environment, there should be so many. There is no job opportunities, no development in the country. So we should prioritize economic development first, not environment. Also prioritize environment, but not only environment. We should also prioritize economic development.
If there is no good environment there, we cannot start a good industry. If the place is full of full of pollution, and the people living there should not be happy. So we must give importance to planting trees and protecting our environment. Not giving much prioritize to economic development. We must give more priority to environment protection also.
We should give a priority for environmental protection because developing is it will if we not consider the environmental sustainability, it will automatically affect the other side. Like disaster issue, like this is like.
But economic development does not only mean only affect your environment. It will also good for something like it is both good for society. Economic development must be done. It's only not have negative effects. It also positive.
What are the effects?
Actually, we want to understand that actually in India we actually have naturally that environment of trees. We have good environment compared to various other countries. We have good nature facilities in our country. So it should be to develop an economy. It should be the better idea because we have naturally all over the every part of the Tamil Nadu. We have naturally have environmental good. And we have to maintain it and nothing to want to destroy it. We have to maintain and we can focus on economic development. Then only can future generation can be, it will helpful for them with only trees, with good air, and it's already we have lots of, only we have to maintain it. We have to make a better career for them, good life for them because we are always moving not depending on our India, because we don't have much what to say job opportunity. We are moving to abroad. Many of us have dreams to go abroad, work there. Because of the economic growth, because of the economic value, we are moving to another country. That's the main point now generation is facing.
I say that economy is without environment we won't get anything. For building an industry also we need many things from the environment. Environment is what gives us all the necessities of basic living. So when we build up industries, it will adversely affect the environment too. We are cutting off the trees and we are destroying many lands to build up industries, and this will adversely affect our environment after many years. It will affect our lives too, and now also we can see like floods, soil erosions, pollutions. All this is because of the building up of industries. I don't say that industry is not important. It is important for it gives us job opportunities, economic value. Everything is correct. But without protecting environment, if we go behind economy only, it will affect our lives too in future.
We want to give emphasis on the environmental development over the economic development, because how can a human or any other living being can survive in the worst environmental situation? Economy, I think, while comparing both, economy is the second one to consider. First priority is definitely environment.
And many people lose their house lands because of the building up of industries and road works and all. And because of these floods too, people lose everything they have and they have to begin from the very first. And I believe this is because of industries also.
I think that is not right. Because environment is depend, we have to protect it. Naturally, it has God has given a very good nature. Disasters and other things were we have to protect the India should take initiative to protect all those what to say flood in advance. They make sure that the people should be safe in their places. So it's only careless of the government sector sides of this. They don't initiative and taking that. In not developing the economic industries and all, it is not like that, I think.
But there is no place for the water to go because of these industries are built up and concrete roads, concrete floors and all. Water is not able to move inside the soil because of that.
Actually, in foreign countries, there are many countries that are not having good environmental aspect, but they are still valued more valued than us. But we have both, but we cannot still utilize the both. I am saying that we can use properly the environment and we can grow the economic development as much better than other country, because if you can see where the Singapore sites and all, there won't be much space facility they don't have, but they are also they maintaining good drainage facilities. In road they have many. In India many places we have seen like what to say like for a dumping of water in around with the proper of not proper of road, but they are maintaining there, right? So if maintaining of the drainage problem and the rainwater sewage and all, it is made of like there in how it is in foreign, then it will be utilized for more purposes in future various activity for agriculture. We can use the rainwater storage and we can use the many other ways for construction houses. That waters and all we are using borewell water only. Instead of that, we can use more water than that. We can store it and do agriculture sites and all. So there is lack of sustainable development only, not development of economy, I think.
This economic development is necessary because the youth faces the biggest problem at the jobs. So we need to increase our job opportunities by developing the economy.
Economic development sometimes affect disasters and also pollution.
like example, Delhi.
But if the economic development is done by proper systems, it did not affect the environment. The economic development must be done because it is the only way to increase the mankind living, or otherwise India will be back from other countries. Others are developed and they increase their infrastructure, job opportunities, and living. But if we only prioritize environment, we Indians go back to the old mankind. It will discriminate us from other countries. So economic development must be prioritized in India.
So we can say that we must work for the development of the economy by considering the environment too. We must take measures to protect the environment and not trying to destroy it.
Yes, we must protect the environment and use its resources to
For the development of
economic development.
You know that natural resources are depleting day by day because of the overpopulation and the increasing industries. It's because there are many farmlands and there are many plantation in many areas before years. It's completely not there because of some industries, and it creates a natural scarcity of natural resource which will affect every human beings. Food will be destroyed when there will be no food will be destroyed when there is a high level of industrial development.
See, in my district, there is a beach, it's called Corner Beach, and the shore is vanished from the beach because of this environmental damage. See, India is a developing country, not a developed country. So India should prioritize the environment also by considering the economic development.
Without exploiting the environment.
Yes.
We have only limited resources. We should utilize the resources properly. Otherwise, it will against the future generation.
Yeah, we should keep something for future generation. If we use everything today, we want to think about future generation and make our environment free from pollutions.
For future, not only we maintain environment, we also maintain the economic development. So they also want to live the good life. Not only the environment, we must keep to future. Also the economic development and the infrastructure we should maintain and we should build it in a good level. That will also increase the way of living of our future generation.
Like India should be proper planning should be there needed to for the environment sustainability, because in every part of the India we cannot manage the environment because we cannot do certain places agriculture and all, so we can develop that areas, that places to economic development, and that will be create more impact on the developing country, like in Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai side and all, we cannot plantation, we cannot do agriculture over, like not massive, we cannot do. So instead of that, we can do economic development there over. So it will create more opportunities for future generations. So that will stop the Indian populations are going outside, and there should be, India should plan the proper towards the environment ideas and maintain the economic development too.
See, we have real life incidents like flood in 2004, 2018. It is due to the earth disturbance. It caused the disturbance of the earth. That's why the flood and these two floods are happened over here. So it's mainly because of this environmental development. This type of environmental development is not what is meant. We want to prioritize the environment also. We do not want to damage the field or anything else. We want to consider both the environmental development and environmental sustainability. Both the environmental development and environmental sustainability should go together, hand in hand.
I totally agree with the point you said. It is important to protect both the economy and the environment for our future generations, and we are the people who should work for that.
India should be take more step more on this to economic development and environmental at their own level of like we are a little bit contribution, but our side also the contribution was there. Like but we should morely the now the Indian government are prioritizing about the economic development only, not the environmental sustainability.
Last 2 minutes.
See, you said about the appropriate responsibility in such aspect. If manager only has an authority, he is not be accountable for the results coming from that. That's just like that. And if there is not only the economic development, there will be no environment. If there is no environment, there will be no economic development. So India should consider both the economic development and economic sustainability. We can't stand to in one point, like economic development in one point or the economic sustainability.
But I think
The major cause for a disaster in India is waste industry. I am not journalism or industry, but still they have no proper waste management system. This will seriously affect the resource.
I think the government is taking care of this matter, that they are promoting electric vehicles, they are promoting solar by giving subsidy, like, and many other factors.
Yeah, we do have more sustainable development windmills, more and the e-source of energy and more other energy we are getting from water. Like more, we are doing that. We are now only starting up that. We are not in advance in that. We are trying to do the best of it. But still, India is only prioritize the economy of development, not the environment. Is my opinion on point.
See, Archana said about the foreign countries. Like, if we visit a foreign country, they both have economic development and environmental sustainability. They are protecting the trees like gold. They are just doesn't cut the tree. They are protecting it for their future. So India should also run that. We want to protect all the environment like a gift in the nature.
So the government should adopt policies and many other campaigns for protecting the environment.
I think there are so many initiatives and campaigns done by the government, but it is not effectively done about.
Not only campaigns, there should be restrictions to be maintained by drainage system, and there should be a rules and regulations. Actually matter, not the economic development. Government should take a responsible actions for taking care of the environmental sustainability.
There are so many rules.
Now that's your time. Thank you.